Joe wants to come back to Earth to prove and show that he has the music, the inner ear melanin that we all love. We know this is a musical universe. Universe. One song. This whole thing is based off of vibrational beings. That's why your vibrations create things.
Say what?
Because the more you're able to stay in tune with yourself, keep your vibrations high, the more downloads and channels you get from your higher self, your true self, you, your own universe.
Message.
So if you have a universe within you, there's no need to come back down here and make music for others that have their own sound and vibration. Everybody's pitch and tone is different, and you trying to prove something to anybody is demiurge energy. Prove something to yourself and realize you were never here.